Welcome back to another video, guys. I have this stunning Seattle home. This is actually not a full new construction, but it was built just a couple years ago, and it's listed right at $1,250,000. Now, of course, I had to bring my beautiful car out here just to make this property shine, but it's a stunning 3-level house, and in the top floor we actually have a rooftop. But I wanted to show you guys today exactly what you get here. Maybe roughly 20 minutes away from downtown Seattle, but we're still in the city of Seattle. You get corner lot, you get views out here, so no neighbors are directly right against you. The finishes, I mean, this is such good quality here. And then you get the garage door that lets in natural light. You have all just nice and bright colors. And then, of course, not your own private driveway, but you share this with roughly 2 houses, or maybe that third one at the end there as well. But you get the dead end, so that means this is basically your front yard as well, and you could do whatever you want, play basketball, whatever you want or choose to do. Now, if you guys have watched my previous videos, you know that I don't do any edits on my videos, and I just keep it raw and natural. So enjoy the tour, watch my other videos if you get a chance. We just passed through the garage and the bathroom, so I'll get back to that soon. But I wanted to first show you guys this exact dream that I've always had of high ceilings. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is massive. It might be a little tough to clean up there, so that's why you hire cleaners at this point. But you get the floor to ceiling fireplace with this wooden design. I mean, this in general is just such good material and craftsmanship. And then that's where your TV goes. You have the snake tube. It might be a snake tube, but that basically connects to an electrical outlet, so you could put that TV up there, or a piece of art. But check out the ceilings. You have the sconces up there, and you still get the windows to allow the natural light in those bedrooms. And then that's still a massive fireplace. Now let's talk about the backyard. You have a little small deck there, but the best part is you're still not looking directly into someone's house. I mean, the trees, you have the privacy, you have the place to sit and do whatever you want out here, read a book, smoke if you do, you know, or just relax and hang up a hammock if you wanted to out here. Now, I know I might butcher some words, but you know, this is not edited and this is all real life errors. So excuse my mistakes on some sentences. Well, anyways, we could have fit a 4-seater here, but we decided to do 2. You have an open concept layout. I mean, this is such nice flooring. This is real hardwood floor, and they look like a wide plank. Matches the trim work here on the corners of surrounding the entire house, giving that luxury and in-depth feel of this property. And you have the mini splits everywhere. So, you know, these are getting very, very famous here, and a lot of people like them, but some don't because they stick out like a sore thumb. Now, in my opinion, you actually save a lot of money having these because you could choose to heat whatever floor you want and turn off the rest. Now, this is your dining area. You could wish to relocate this anywhere you want. You could hang the chandelier wherever you want up there. So this is kind of like a flexible open piece. I mean, you could have this be a 9-10 seater. You could have this just be a 4-seater like this. Whatever you choose fit. Now, this kitchen. I love the blue underneath. You know, one of my favorite things is when builders don't cheap out on hardwood or hardware. This is such good quality. I mean, even touching it is stone cold. It feels great. And having the blue touch here just gives it such a nice interior design feel. You have the 3 little lights hanging down from the top here. And then this is still a pretty high ceiling kitchen. They didn't want to sacrifice on feeling stuck or claustrophobic. So this is a massive kitchen. Of course, you got the KitchenAid appliances, all stainless steel. Of course, the house is connected to gas. You have Bertazzoni, 6 or 5 burner stove here. And then check this out. So custom cabinetry, I'm going to open this. Wow, it goes all the way. I mean, this is just small touches here and there that make a big difference in the house. And then I forgot to mention, you have a full 1-slab quartz counter. And best piece is that you have this waterfall on the quartz with the mitered edge. Some people might say mitered, whatever it is. And then you have the outlets because, you know, well, you're probably working out of here or have some appliances that you're working on or cooking. And then again, the gold finish touches here. It just feels nice. Now going to the fan when you're cooking, you have this fan. It takes up all the smoke so the house doesn't smell up. And then check out this undermount sink. Again, with the gold finishes. And then a quick view. We have a blind system you can install in there if you choose to. And you could have more privacy by bringing it down halfway. And then the shelf, of course, as well. So lots of options and things to change. But a lot of builders, you don't see them do this. On the actual cabinetry here, they also did a waterfall quartz. That's amazing because you don't see that happen too often. So let's check out, this is kind of more for your closet. This is the garage. It's actually a pretty big garage space. Now there's the seller's items in there, so I don't want to show too much. We could respect that. Check out this bathroom. I love the lighting. And it's just so useful. The way they just put this half bath here. And the craftsmanship of the backsplash. It just looks great. Now the best part is, you have a rooftop up here. So let's go upstairs and check out this rooftop. Now you got the lighting on the right. By lighting, I mean this open window that allows natural light in. It's frozen, so you have privacy. That way it just has this full light beaming through, just like the way it is. Now this is the primary bedroom. Now before we get there, I want to show you guys all the other bedrooms. And of course, forgot to mention, check out this real wood flooring for the staircase. It's a floating staircase. You have the super sturdy handrail that's metal. It just looks sleek and sexy. Now let's do a quick sneak peek of the rooftop. You can see it right there. Beautiful spiral staircase, well thought and designed perfectly to fit that corner, to take up no more space. Now, this is the upstairs bathroom. You get the shower, you get the sink, you get the toilet, and again, everything matches. You have the frozen glass up there for privacy. You have the hardwood floors here. And then you have the laundry room as well. Extra shelving, you have the sink, the same matching cabinets downstairs with the quartz, with the gold finishing hardware. I mean, it just looks so nice. And if you choose to do a frozen glass piece there, you can totally do it. Up to you. Now, this is your second or third bedroom, however many I showed. You know, gets the job done. Has a four lighting up there. You have the little depth that you could tell has that drop down. I don't know if there's a specific word for it. If there is, I should know, but it makes the house look much better, and the room in general. Just makes it look more open. All right, here we are in the master. This looks beautiful. You have the double sliding doors, full lush greenery. I mean, this looks amazing. Imagine waking up to this weather, this style of living with full privacy, not too many houses looking at you like most new constructions. And then you have a sliding farm style door. You have the sinks that pop out. I think they call those like a floating sink. And then look at the way this tub is positioned. It's well executed. You still have room for a shower if you want to do a stand-up shower. You have the water dropping from your ceiling, and then you have the tub if you choose to use the tub. And again, really good craftsmanship. You have a frozen glass for ultimate privacy. This looks stunning. I really love those lighting up there. But this feels great here. I mean, getting the double sliding door. And of course, you know, it feels sturdy, it feels safe. And there's that material I was talking about earlier. Just makes the house look so much better. Well, let's wrap this tour up. I'm going to take you guys upstairs to the rooftop. And then we have 2 bedrooms right here to show you really quick. Here's your office. Again, a split level. Choose to do blinds here if you want for more privacy. And then here is that window I was talking about that sneaks back downstairs. What a cool view. So this could be an office, it could be a bedroom, whatever it is, but it counts as a bedroom. And here's a second or third or fourth bedroom with an ensuite. So this one again sneaks downstairs, but this could be the gym, the media room, whatever you choose to use it for, but it's considered a bedroom. And again, you get the blue style cabinetry there. You get the shower, you have the bench. Again, same material, same frozen glass. Oh, and then you have the herringbone design here. One of my favorites. All right, rooftop time it is. Let's go upstairs to the third level. Now, most spiral staircases, they feel very claustrophobic or very hard to go up. But in this case, this one's actually really easy to walk up. Those are worth it. So check out this rooftop. This is expansive. I mean, you could restain the wood if you want and the flooring, but it's outdoors. Of course, it won't be perfect. And that view, I mean, check out that view. That's amazing. We have a wasp trying to attack me here. Sitting right on the bench, so I gotta be careful. Anyways, this is stunning. I'm not risking to get stung by a wasp today for a video. But, well guys, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't watched my other videos, make sure you guys do so. Get a chance to explore Seattle, message me, call me. But I hope you enjoyed this video at the end of the day. And you know, I like to end my videos with one good thing, one positive note. Wherever you are in life, always strive to do better the next day, because our own competition is ourselves. And the only person holding us back is our own mindset. So with that being said, I'll watch you guys and see you guys on the next video. And see you guys later.